In this video, we'll fix the issue of Windows 11 Home single language being installed automatically during a clean installation. For example, I'm installing Windows 11 from a USB boot drive. As you can see, the Windows 11 Home version is automatically installed, and we don't have an option to select the edition we actually want. To fix this, let's close the Windows 11 setup and restart the computer to reset the installation. The first method uses the ei.cfg file to enable edition selection. At this screen, press Shift F10 or Fin Shift F10 if you're using a laptop to open the command prompt window. Press Alt-Tab to switch to the command prompt window. In the command prompt window, type Notepad and press Enter to open the Notepad text editor. Enter this code in Notepad. Next, go to the File menu and select Save As. Browse to your USB boot drive. Go to the Sources folder. Now, change the Save As type from Text Document to All Files to save the file with a custom file extension. In the File Name field, type this exact file name. Click the Save button to create the file. To confirm the file was created, let's go to the File menu and select Open. Change the files of type to All Files, then sort by date modified. As you can see, the ei.cfg file has been created. We can now close Notepad and Command Prompt to return to the Windows installation. In this step, please select this option. This will restart the installation with the old style, similar to Windows 10. As you can see, we can now select the edition we need when performing a clean install of Windows 11. The second method uses the ei.cfg file to preconfigure the edition we want to install. You'll still need to open the command prompt and then open Notepad. For example, I will install Windows 11 Pro. You can change the edition ID as needed. Now, save it with the file name ei.cfg in the Sources folder on the USB boot drive, just like in the first method. We're done. Let's go back to the Windows installation. This time, we'll use the new installation wizard instead of the previous one. As you can see, the Windows edition that we configured will be selected automatically instead of Windows Home editions. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.